Good morning.
Hi.
Nah. She got a few games, vidges. System in here. Controllers. Ma'am, what do you want for this box right here?
Gets me written on there.
Oh, does it? I'm sorry.
That's okay.
PS2.
20 bucks.
Just access, no thing, huh?
Yeah, no, it's but it's got a pair of headphones in there, but it doesn't right here that are worth the whole box or more. $15 if you want that box. No?
How about 10? You got a deal.
12.
12, you got a deal.
Okay.
I can't pass it up for 12. You can't see it on this video, but because I didn't dig that well out there, but in that box there were actually 2 PS3 controllers, DualShock 3 and then a 6-axis that are worth about, I don't know, about $35 between the two. And then there was actually down in the box, there's a Rock Band dongle that actually sold yesterday for 42 bucks. So that ended up being quite the score. Candace, I need money. Give me $10. I guess I need more 5s. You got a lot of 5s? Guess we didn't get enough 5s, huh? No, we got
more,
10.
I got more on the truck.
Well, give me a 10.
I just didn't want to carry it all with me, you know.
Yeah. Alrighty. $12 for your box. I appreciate that. Thank you. You done here? Morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How you doing, sir?
Left up on me there.
Yeah, I know. That's why I wanted to let you know I was there for a.
Knock up in front of me. $4 about to put it back together.
Huh?
Yeah, they're high. I just want to get rid of stuff.
How about this helmet? 5? Do you know where it's when it's from or anything about it at all?
No, sir, I do not.
Looks old, but
All I know is flight helmet. It's only his. I could have said General MacArthur or somebody.
all right. Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah,
I give you some good history.
there, yeah. Make something up.
No.
Tell me a lie.
I wouldn't do that.
That's probably how a lot of those kind of stories get started, right? Somebody picking something up at a yard sale.
Right.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Thank you. You're blessed day.
Think I ought to get this for $5? Hell yeah, huh? Look, Candace over here looking for red lines. I know what you're doing.
They're all rusty though.
There's no red lines in there though anyway. Even if you found any kind of red line condition you would want to buy.
Oh, I know. How about a zebra?
No. Torpedo. Get out of here. Remember those torpedo toys?
Oh yeah.
They have four little small ones here. Candace, this is General MacArthur's helmet, he told me.
This is Junior MacArthur's helmet.
Junior? MacArthur Jr.? Okay.
There's some RC cars behind y'all.
Yeah. All right, how much I owe you? I want the helmet and these four little toys here.
$6.
$6. That's perfect. That's what I was thinking. One and 6.
I sure thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. You have a blessed day.
You too, man. Boy, that's a lot of knives.
Yeah, people get something. It worries some people, does it? How you doing?
Good, man. You got a lot of knives, huh?
Yeah, I need to sell one. Anything in that box is $10, and then I got all prices.
Right.
So a little over 200.
Any of these things that are bagged up, you can take, you know, if you just want something out of it, that's
I
fine.
got you. Thank you.
What do you think about this guy? Oh my God. What do you think about him?
What brand is he?
It is a brand. It's Dragon Eye Toys.
What they asking for?
I don't know. How much is the Dragon? 5? Okay. You know what? This thing is cool enough. I don't care. I'm gonna look it up. I mean, not look it up. Look, he walks. I'm getting the Dragon. Accidentally hit his button again. Sorry.
I think he has a turn-off button.
Well, there's a off and on here where he walks,
Yeah.
and there's another button here that it doesn't matter if it's off or on. You press that, and you're like, "Rrr."
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. That's pretty cool.
She told me that you take Kool-Aid and put them in the freezer and take a pop, not a popsicle, but a straw, and stick them in there and freeze them and pop them open. And she said my grandkids, they'll eat a whole tray of them.
That's how my mama made us popsicles.
Yeah, but I mean them I
Hey, how much is your little Coleman cooler there?
$15.
How much?
15.
15?
Box. That's old. Got the box too. Brand new. It's never been used.
Can you do 10?
Pardon?
Will you do 10?
No.
No?
I bought it at estate sale. I guess what I give $15 for it. It was in the box. I bought about all this stuff.
At estate sales?
Yeah.
There's a juicer. Donna, you know what that is?
I can't pass it up. I gotta buy it.
That's a bargain. Been asking 20, man. I'm gonna try to wind up today.
15.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Fillet knife?
Yeah, fillet knife. Everybody got case knives around here.
Yeah.
Case knives are easy to come by, aren't
That's
they?
probably the easiest, best selling thing up here. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. How much are the knives? I guess different prices. I guess everybody around here collects them, huh?
Yeah. I've been toting them 50 years.
Oh, have you?
Oh, yeah. I've got hundreds of them.
And like you have your own collection, and then you also sell
Yeah,
and
I've
stuff.
got some I wouldn't sell,
Right.
and I got these I just sell out.
How much are hats?
They're $5 and $25 hats at Academy.
Boy, you've got some nice knives here.
I get some unusual stuff. Them hats are bargain. You need them.
Would you do 3 a piece for all?
I'll do 4. I'll get out of bed.
And get out of the hat
I'll be
business.
honest with you, I give $5 a piece for them about 3 dozen.
Uh-huh.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8 of them.
Yeah, I better hold. Thank you, man. I appreciate the deal on
They give you
cool.
$25, not a seven.
How many are there?
There's 8 of them. How many?
Is it 8?
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, I do 25. That'll work.
That's a little over $3.
That's good enough for me. Close enough.
Be out of the hat.
I mean,
They
they,
are there. You go to some of these sporting goods stores and they 25.
oh, I know.
So you bought 8 for what one cost?
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Bama.
35.
Thanks for riding along with this garage sale. We'll have some more for you in the next video. Bye.